and welcome to another episode of my AI for Good series, where I like to geek out on some machine learning and artificially intelligent applications that bring a little good into the world. And in this episode, I have an AI app that you just have to hear about. This episode is all about the Tambua app, which helps doctors diagnose patients using sound recognition. Now, sound recognition is already used in several capacities. If you've ever asked Google, "What song is this?" it's using sound recognition to identify music or songs. It's also used in ecological and zoological studies to identify animals and their location just by their sound. Now, this Tambua app is changing the medical diagnostic field using sound recognition. It turns out that we've been using the same old stethoscope for nearly 200 years, and it hasn't changed much. And doctors are limited by their own hearing abilities, which leaves some room for human error. This app was designed for rural or remote areas where expensive medical diagnostic equipment is not available. In fact, doctors don't even need consistent internet or cloud access to use it. It's all lightweight and handled through the app, which is a game changer in these areas. So the Tambua app records and listens to lung sounds. A doctor can also input vital signs and some medical history of the patient. So the machine learning model takes the sounds and converts them into images or spectrograms. With these spectrograms, the image recognition model can detect nuances in breathing, like crackles or wheezing, and when combined with the input of other patient data, it can predict the probability of a patient having pneumonia, asthma, COPD, or tuberculosis. The developers of the Tambua app use data from about 600 patients to train their machine learning model using the TensorFlow platform. If you like, you can visit builtinafrica.io to read a little more about the Tambua app and to watch an inspiring video of how this app is being used in remote areas. So what a wonderful way to utilize AI and machine learning. If you have a suggestion for another AI for Good episode from me, let me know in the comments, and join me next time for a little more good AI.